A little over a year ago now, I became a minimalist. And what started out as me trying to have less clothes and less items really turned into the biggest journey of my life. I think the biggest thing that I learned is that minimalism is not about the amount of items that you own, it's about you as a finite resource, being able to give your time and energy to only a minimal amount of things in order to get true, deep connection and satisfaction, which is something completely different to the maximalism way of living, which tries to achieve everything and ends in burnout and in feeling of rejection. If not being enough, you are enough, and you can have this meaning in your life without having everything. You just need to focus on what's important to you. In this way, minimalism really made my life easier, and today I would like to share with you just 5 ways how that happened. So, the first way was concentration. If you have a lot of things to focus on, a lot of things that you're trying to achieve, a lot of people talking to you, and you're trying to do that all at the same time, you're really never able to concentrate. Everything takes much longer because there's so much more to do. There is no singular goal. There are multiple goals, multiple friends, multiple items that you need to take care of later. And really focusing on a small set of things that you want, people in your life, and items in your life gives you that concentration to be good and to still be good to yourself. So, this better concentration really led me to understand what makes me happy. The second way that minimalism made my life easier was cleaning. So, I had a whole bunch of items, and I am a little bit of an OCD person. I really like to keep clean. I clean every other day, every day. But the thing is, now that I have much less items, this takes about 10 minutes maybe if I do it every day. Before, it would just take half an hour every day to an hour, and I felt like I could never keep up with actually doing things around the house and, of course, making things messy and then cleaning everything up. So, having this smaller amount of items to focus on really made it easier for me. Another thing is money. So if you're not following this marketing thing which is going on in the capitalistic society, in this world that we live in today, which tells you that whatever you have is not good enough and you need the next thing and you need to buy a better phone, a better laptop, you never really appreciate what you have, which first of all decreases your happiness because you always feel like you are lacking something. But if you just shift your focus to what you truly need, you find out that a lot of the things that you are meant to feel like you need, you don't. So it really saved me a lot of money, which in turn saves me time because I don't need to earn this money in really thinking about what I need and only purchasing that. The fourth way is that I feel much more comfortable when getting ready. When getting ready for trips or just getting ready to get out of the house, I no longer feel this constant sense of I could need something. Maybe I forgot something because I know that really you don't need that much. I started not even wearing makeup so often. I started not wearing jewelry so often. I feel like it was really overwhelming trying to think of every possible scenario that could happen while I'm outside or while I'm traveling and just pack everything with me. And in the morning, I would wonder what's the perfect outfit. I don't even know for what reason because it really doesn't matter what everybody thinks as long as you are looking clean and you're comfortable the way you look. It really doesn't matter if you put on all your rings and all your earrings. So that has been a huge weight lifted off of me, which also saves me a lot of time every single day. And the final thing is quality. Really, when you have the money, because you don't spend it all of the time, to purchase the things that you really need, you should purchase good quality items. And I think for a lot of minimalists, also this is what happens just automatically, because if you are going to buy one pair of shoes, you're not going to buy 10 euro shoes that were produced in a way that is not environmentally friendly and will get ripped within 2 months. You really want to buy something that will last you for a long time and really have this joy of owning and taking care of this item. It's a really big perspective shift. If you want to become a minimalist, you will definitely feel how it is truly a pleasure to enjoy a few things that you have. So really, my perspective has shifted incredibly from minimalism. I think now that this is really not about items, it's not about people, it's about this whole new perspective of you need to shield your time, you need to shield your energy. Everything that you truly have is inside you. This is something that nobody can give you back once you spend it. And this is all that really matters. And this is what I learned in my first year of being a minimalist. See you next week.